I just wanted to do a quick tutorial over the budget sheet. So, just to give a quick overview, this budget sheet has three sections: one for credit cards, one for your installment accounts, one for your monthly recurring charges, your budget allowances, promotional balances for various credit cards you may have, and then business expenses if you have that. So, in the credit cards area, you would just enter credit cards that you would regularly have, consumer credit cards. You put in their costs, their due dates, what they owe, whether you've paid it or not, and you have the payment ratio. I'll explain that in better detail in the longer video, so you can go check that out for more detail. And then, did you allocate any money? And then your installment accounts will just be like your mortgages, car notes, personal loans, medical debt, what you plan on saving every month from your income, all the different loans you'll have. Monthly recurring charges, stuff that's going to always be charged to you, your car insurance, phone bill, electric bills, internet, things of that sort. Then budget allowances are the things that aren't bills, but definitely have going to probably be spent, which is like groceries, entertainment, out to eat, diapers and wipes, etc. And then your promotional balances is pretty much straightforward. You get a promotional balance at a store. You have different balances with different due dates. This sheet helps you automatically calculate how much you have to pay per month. And then if there's multiple balances, the sum of those are shown up here. And then to the right side, it's basically supposed to put together everything on the sheet. So let me get over here. So these are the key totals. So you have your total credit card cost, which is just the sum of the monthly cost for your credit card. So all that is just this column over here. And then your monthly installment cost, which is just the cost of those every month. You got your monthly recurring costs, same thing, sum of all of those. Budget allowances, business costs. So your sum of your business costs down here. Straightforward, not confusing. And then your monthly bill costs is just going to be the sum of your credit card costs, your installment costs, your budget allowances, and your monthly business costs if you have those. And then your monthly cost with allowances is just going to simply be your monthly bill costs plus the budget allowances. I separate that because your budget allowances could change based on how you're trying to live your lifestyle. So your total credit card debt, also simple. The sum of outstanding balances there. Installment debt, sum of outstanding balances here. Total debt is just the sum of those amounts. So that's your total liability. And then we have a section for the money that you do have. So if you have like a Robinhood account, you have 3,000 in there. You have a savings account for your business, you could have 2,000 in there. Your personal savings could have 5,000. So your total assets would just be the sum of those values that you inputted there, being 10,000. And it can calculate your net worth for you. Just move in the liabilities, which is that there, and you subtract your liabilities from your assets, and you have a negative net worth. But that's not bad. You can always fix that. It can easily be changed. Most of that is the mortgage anyway. So this is where you put your income to help further calculate value. So this is what you could possibly be making from your business every month, possibly making from your regular job every month, and then other side income that you reliably do every month. And this is just your sum of those totals right there. So the net monthly income is a total that means the most. So you want this to be positive. So that's just going to be the the amount you make every month, after taxes and everything, minus your monthly cost with allowances, your total. So this is how much money right here you have after saving, paying all your bills. This is really what you could call your fun money in a lot of ways. But with this number being positive, that's a good thing. That means you have your groceries bought, you save money, and you still got a little money left over. So this is a good thing. So that's the quick tutorial for the free monthly budget sheet template.